Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to delete your Spotify account permanently using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open or launch your Spotify app. And now you can see the settings button at the upper right corner of your screen. So you want to click on that. There. And now you want to click on account section. And here at the lower part, you can see the text that says to delete your account permanently. Click here to close your account yourself. So just go ahead and click that text. And now as you can see, there's the text that says after you close your account, we will email you a link which you can use to reactivate it within 7 days. After those 7 days, your account cannot be reactivated and the process to delete your data will be initiated. You can always create a new one, okay? So if you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click close my account and delete my data. So let's just wait. So here there is a bot that will pop up and it says that, hi, you're through the Spotify automated service. To close your account and delete your data, select close my account below. To cancel your premium and remain on the free service, select cancel premium. For any other help, select other help. Okay, so just go ahead and click on close my account. Then let's just wait. So again, it says that hold tight while we take a look. So here it will send a text and options. So just go ahead and select the close my account and delete my data option. Okay, so now just go ahead and follow these steps, but I cannot delete here because I am a member of a family plan. Okay, so just go ahead and do the simple steps that this bot tells you to do, and you will delete your account. Okay, so that's it. That is how you delete your Spotify account permanently using your mobile device. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.